If I did, cause my legs out right now. I ain't never been with the whole talk, snitch talk. Always talking about his fault. Yeah, I'm a stand-up nigga, got my bands up, nigga.
Gang, nigga. That man HUNTSVEGAS, we here. Everybody pulling up, popping out, man. Like Ezzy, I low-key or something around this motherfucker. Y'all know what time it is. Ezzy, motherfucking money, that popping the fuck up, man. Definitely.
Nephew, tie me up, man.
Easy money.
Who's badass?
Big bank take little bank, nigga.
Buddha bless this bitch.
Big bank take lil' bank.
What you thought? Big bank take little bank. What you thought? A million made 2017. That shit was easy. Shit. Niggas broke out here, they starving, but they swear they eat.
Big bank take lil' bank.
What you thought? Big bank take little bank. What you thought? A million made 2017. That shit was easy. Shit. Niggas broke out here, they starving, but they swear they eat. 100,000, take your little 10,000 any day. $1 million, take your 100,000 any day. Just counting my money, hands hurting on work 2 mil a day. 3 thoughts down, it's 4 p.m. real shit I did today. You can get the money, but you gotta have a plan. Nigga talking bossing up, bitch, I been a man. 12 years ago, made me first 100 grand. You probably still staying with your grandparents. Now I'm counting 100K about 20 times. I done been in 5th class about 100 times. I done bought a different car about 100 times. I done left V live with 100 dimes. I got Rapicus, baby, here's Nintendo. I live waste with it, baby, no gym though. Hey, you super high stuck in limo. So short I made her get on a tippy toe. Bank account got a whole lot of zeros. My neck, ear, wrist all on froze. Big bank take little bank, your whole chose. Big bank take little bank, your whole chose.
Big bank take lil' bank.
What you thought? Big bank take little bank. What you thought? $1 million made 2017. That shit was easy. Shit. Niggas broke out here, they starving, but they swear they eat.
Big bank take lil' bank.
What the fuck going on, man? Big bank take lil' bank.
Big
That little money y'all playing with ain't shit. 100,000 ain't shit. 500,000 ain't shit. Nigga, don't talk to me until you get a million.
Niggas broke out here, they starving, but they swear they eat.
Big bank take lil' bank. What you thought? Bowling alley, super fish tank at my house. I should be walking like my shit stank. That ain't a boss. Shit and be live, I go live. I set it off. Yeah, I got that bag on me, it's to my ear. I'm from the south. Yeah, I motivate them G's to get that bag north or south. I'm a big boy boosting now. Bank roll stupid now. I own liquor, I own clothes. You won't catch me in Coogin now. If you come up with nothing, then you will see what I'm saying. I ain't too friendly with 20s. I like blues in my hand. 40 Glock, that bitch protect me. I keep 2 in my pants. Find a 50 bitch, I'm pussy. Ben had blues in my hand. Big bank take lil' bank.
What you thought? Big bank take little bank. What you thought? $1 million made 2017. That shit was easy. Shit. Niggas broke out here, they starving, but they swear they eat.
Big bank take lil' bank.
What you thought? Big bank take little bank. What you thought? $1 million made 2017. That shit was easy. Niggas broke out here, they starving, but they swear they eat.
Y'all niggas ain't really having no paper. In the club, to my bottle service. You niggas drinking out of styrofoam cups and shit, though. You can't be no baller in VIP drinking out of cups. Easy money. Woo!
Enough money for everybody to have. Get a plan, get a goal, gotta have it. Everybody said they won't, but they cram it. Grind every 24, gotta have it. Flooded Cuban 30 carats, had to have it. Stars in the ceiling, had to have it. Mansion on the leg, I had to have it. Gucci drip, Mitchell mirror, cause I'm having it. Have it. Have it. Have it. Gucci drip, Mitchell mirror, cause I'm having it. Have it. Have it. Have it. Stop the capping, little nigga, you ain't had it. Titles and D's on my own. Reach for my chain, you a goner. Fuck on your bitch, now I own. Try to lift the bitch back, I don't want her. All these thoughts want a nigga cause I'm happy. Get locked, hit they line, they don't have it. Get the money, then learn how to keep it. Fuck wishing for the stars, I gotta reach. Real nigga, whole hood on my back. Street nigga, corporate thuggin', that's a fact. Take a lunch, shoot a nigga back to my office. Smoke a lot of weed, a paranoia, so I'm causing. Have it. Young rich nigga running to the paper. Crabbing at an all-time high when it should be trapping at an all-time high. Enough money for everybody to have. Get a plan, get a goal, gotta have it. Everybody said they won't, but they crab it. Grind every 24, gotta have it. Blooded Cuban 30 carats, had to have it. Stars in the ceiling, had to have it. Mansion on the lake, I had to have it. Gucci drip, Mitchell mirror, cause I'm having it. Ha, ha, have it. Ha, ha, have it. Ha, ha, have it. Gucci drip, Mitchell mirror, cause I'm having it. Ha, ha, have it. Ha, ha, have it. Ha, ha, have it. Stop the cap, little nigga, you ain't had it. Gucci in the mirror, my favorite. F in that Glock, to my favorite. Don't hit my line for no favors. I was locked up, I couldn't get no favor. Came out with a plane, so made me some grains. Shit on these niggas every time that I can. Drip on these niggas. Vended my sneaker, caught in my frame. Just drip on demand. Pop me a perk so I last long. Beat her so good, made a splash on. My play in my line had to smash on. 12 hit the lights, hit the gas on. Grinding and having, fuck all that capping. Fucking these thighs, I'm trapping, you rapping. Scraping the pot, I'm back up in action. You broken them hot, ha, have it. Enough money for everybody to have. Get a plan, get a goal, gotta have it. Everybody said they won't, but they crab it. Grind every 24, gotta have it. Blooded Cuban 30 carats, had to have it. Stars in the ceiling, had to have it. Mansion on the lake, I had to have it. Gucci drip, Mitchell mirror, cause I'm having it. Ha, ha, have it. Ha, ha, have it. Ha, ha, have it. Gucci drip, Mitchell mirror, cause I'm having it. Ha, ha, have it. Ha, ha, have it. Ha, ha, have it. Stop the cap, little nigga, you ain't had it. I got bitches in and out, walking naked round the house, popping person, giving mouth, drunk, wasted, swapping out. I got a weed too, smoking Zaza out the bag. I got flavors, bags on bags, ain't running out, make it last. I got a weed too, I got bitches in and out, walking naked round the house, popping person, giving mouth. I got a weed too, smoking Zaza out the bag. I got flavors, bags on bags, ain't running out, make it last. I got a weed too, I don't need you. I got bitches with some bread and they foreign too. One with the car, yeah, she heated for me. Touchdown, them youngers gon' jig it for me. Fuck all that hard work, it's easy money. She fucking and sucking and geeking. I'm having my way, it's my season. Connect you like folks so you eat. Stay solid, I make sure you breathe. I'm giving instructions, I'm teaching. We pulling up, causing commotion. They wiping us down like some lotion. Real nigga ain't doing emotions. Slow motion be having no motion. I got bitches in and out, walking naked round the house, popping person, giving mouth, drunk, wasted, swapping out. I got a weed too, smoking Zaza out the bag. I got flavors, bags on bags, ain't running out, make it last. I got a weed too, I got bitches in and out, walking naked round the house, popping person, giving mouth. Oh yeah, I got a weed too, got weed, Zaza out the bag. Zaza, bags on bags, ain't running out, make it last. I got a weed too, I pop bean too, I been geeking by the weed.
Big ice, big bag.
Easy money. My drip is so hard you can't stand by. My whip is so hard you can't park by. My ice is so bright you need sunshade. Just a young red nigga getting paid. My drip is official, yeah. My whip is official, my jewelry official, bling, blow. I keep me a pistol. My drip is so hard you can't stand by. My whip is so hard you can't park by. My ice is so bright you need sunshade. Just a young red nigga getting paid. My drip is official, yeah. My whip is official, my jewelry official, bling, blow. I keep me a pistol. Easy. Pulled up, drippin', everybody lookin', watchin'. Nigga take a picture, you the feds, paparazzi. Shots fired last time a nigga tried to stop me. 4 pockets full, how me and baby rockin'. Sneak this and all the hatin' boy, get your pop quick. $1 million stash away for a rainy day. 50K, I'm a bullet bag just to play. Truck load coming in every damn day. Private jet kicking shit with my feet up. Say I'm hot, but I'm finna turn the heat up. When they hate, I reply, tell them keep up. Blunt, roll, pill, pop, let me pull up. If y'all owe no question, gotta pay up. 200K drop, hit the rate for it. Hood nigga, so I gotta scoop a thigh up. Blunt, roll, pill, pop, let me pull up. Private jet kicking shit with my feet up. Say I'm hot, but I'm finna turn the heat up. When they hate, I reply, tell them keep up. Blunt, roll, pill, pop, let me pull up. Blunt, roll, pill, pop, let me pull up. If it ain't got got a VIP, ain't pulling up. I like bitches staying choosing when I push up. Nephew brought me up, roll the cushion up. Wi-Fi lit plug, gave me extras. Gas stashed in the closet like Tetris. MC no hammer, can't touch this. In at least 30 minutes, can't bust quick. Luxury lifestyle living, got a big bag. Like about right now, fuck what I had. Need 10 million just so I can feel sane. Fuck a few cars, nigga, I want a few planes. From the plug to the socket, that's a big game. To get cracked, gotta know how to whip cane. I ain't never had a car that was just plain. I ain't never wore a fit that was just plain. I ain't never had a bitch who was just plain. I ain't never had a watch that was just plain. Tomorrow I ain't promised, so I gotta give. When you own, boy, you blessed, so you gotta give. Better to give, damn, see. Better to give, damn, see. Come back 10 times, come back 10 times, come back 10 times, please. If you owe no question, gotta pay up. 200K drop, hit the rate for it. Hood nigga, so I gotta scoop a thigh up. Blunt roll, pill pop, let me pull up.
Nephew brought me up, roll the cushion up.